Hey, it's Angie Potts, and welcome to the third episode of Living the Senior Life Show, where we break down the good, fun, and challenging sides of getting older. Let's get started. Today's episode is all about staying young at heart and the benefits of laughter and positive thinking. They say age is just a number, and it's true. When it comes to staying young at heart, laughter and positive thinking are your secret weapons. In this episode, we'll explore the critical benefits of laughing and positive thinking on your overall well-being. So buckle up and get ready to embrace the joys of life with a smile and a hearty laugh. First up is laughter. Laughter is the ultimate anti-aging medicine. Laughter is the fountain of youth. It reduces stress, boosts your mood, and increases the production of endorphins, those feel-good chemicals in your brain. So watch a funny movie or share jokes with friends. Laughing your way through life will keep you feeling young and vibrant. Number 2, the physical health. Benefits laughter not only good for your spirit, but also your body. It improves cardiovascular health, strengthens your immune system, lowers blood pressure, and even provides a natural painkiller effect, like laughing gas, remember? So laugh away those worries and let your body reap the health benefits. Laughter is also good for your mental well-being. It's a powerful stress buster and anxiety reducer. Regular laughter can improve your mental well-being, reduce symptoms of depression, and increase resilience in the face of challenges. Laughter is also good for social bonds and relationships. It's contagious, and it brings people together. Sharing laughter with others creates bonds, fosters a sense of belonging, and strengthens all your relationships. Whether it's cracking jokes with friends or reminiscing funny memories with loved ones, cultivating laughter in your social interactions enhances your overall happiness and quality of life. Laughter also does a good thing about the positive thinking. Positive thinking is a magnifying glass that amplifies the good in life. So when you embrace positivity, you set your perspective, focus on gratitude and solutions rather than dwelling on problems. This mindset has far-fetching benefits, including reduced stress levels, enhanced resilience, and improved mental and emotional well-being. Now, you also improve cognitive function. Positive thinking has a profound impact on cognitive abilities. It enhances memories, concentration, and overall brain function. When you approach challenges with a positive mindset, you're more likely to find creative solutions and adapt to new situations, keeping your mind sharp and agile. This builds resilience. Sorry, I have a hard time saying that word today. It's dealing with the ups and downs that life brings you. It helps you weather the storm with grace. It empowers you to bounce back from setbacks. You learn from failures and maintain a hopeful outlook even during difficult times. Embracing positivity allows you to navigate life challenges with a sense of strength and determination. Hey, in conclusion, there you have it. Laughter and positive thinking are just whimsical notions, but powerful tools for staying young at heart. By incorporating laughter into your daily life and cultivating a positive mindset, you can experience numerous benefits, including improved physical health, enhanced mental well-being, stronger relationships, and increased resilience. So embrace the joy, share a laugh, and choose positivity. Remember, age is just a number, but a true measure of youth lies in the heart, filled with laughter and a mind brimming with positivity.